Today we're unboxing the Marshall Stanmore 4 speaker. This speaker features a retro rock aesthetic, continuing the classic guitar amplifier design. It boasts physical brass knobs paired with a classic gray-white textured grille and a matte solid wood cabinet made of FSC environmentally friendly MDF board, combining the feel of a vintage decorative piece with durability, making it suitable for various home decor styles in living rooms and studies. In terms of acoustic configuration, it features a stereo 3-way system, equipped with a 5-inch woofer and two 0.75-inch waveguide tweeters, with a total power of 110 watts. It supports dynamic loudness equalization, AirQ's multi-speaker interconnection, and has a frequency response of 36 Hz to 38 kHz. The bass is tight and deep, and the soundstage is wide and transparent, providing balanced and full stereo sound quality for listening to music and watching movies. Functionally, it supports Bluetooth 5.3 and RCA inputs, as well as a 3.5mm AUX tri-mode connection. It has a physical toggle switch, volume knobs, and can remember up to 8 Bluetooth devices for seamless switching between devices. What upgrades does the premium Marshall Stanmore 4 over to Stanmore 3 offer? First, sound quality. It features a 5-inch woofer for powerful deep bass without hollowness, improved mid-high frequency resolution, clear vocals, transparent treble, and excellent instrument separation. The upgraded tweeter and waveguide structure result in a wider soundstage and enhanced immersion. Dynamic loudness technology ensures a balanced listening experience at different volumes. Second, functionality. A customizable M button allows for various settings to be adjusted via a mobile app. What other speakers would you like to know about? Those interested in this product can learn more about it.